Westbound, far as you can make it. On.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Tammy. I didn't film an intro, but let's get right into it. So first I'm going to be starting with Smashbox eyelid primer in the color white. Then I'm going to just be blending that all around my eye. Next I'm moving on to the NYX Jumbo pencil in the color white, and I'm just going to spread that around my eyes. So this is what I use. I'm using both of them as a primer and as a base in order to make the colors pop out more. So I'm going to be using Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and you're taking this right here as the first transition shade and just blending it out. Next I went in with the Nubian 2 palette and took that orange there and I blended it out there. Now I'm taking this, I don't know what color it is, but I'm going to blend that also. And when I blend my transition colors, I blend them in a circular motion. Hold my hand on the end of the brush to get it to blend well. Next I'm taking my Masquerade palette. This color right here, as you can tell, I use it often. It's almost gone. But I'm just going to blend that in a circular motion with the colors that I already blended previously and put that on the bottom of my eyelid, but not the bottom. I'm taking this color, I believe it's Ada, and I'm using that to blend everything well. Now I'm taking an orange shade in the Zulu palette and placing it on the top of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with the Saharan palette, the first one, and taking the black and placing that on the outer corner of my eyes, the outer V, and I'm just going to blend that with a really thin brush. And this brush is from Coastal Scents, and I'm just gonna blend that. I went and I took a Morphe brush, a smaller one, and I'm blending until the black kind of fades. And next I'm going to cut my crease. First I'm taking the NYX Jumbo pencil in the color white again, just to make the colors pop out more. But I need a more creamy consistency, so I went in with my concealer by Anastasia Beverly Hills to draw like the top part of the cut crease. I mainly use that for the top, but I use the NYX Jumbo for the bottom section, just so that the color, because I'm going to put a bright color so that it stands out more. And I went in and I set the cut crease off camera just with powder. And next I'm taking this pigment, mixing it with my Inglot Durline and putting that as the center color. This pigment is an orange pigment that I got from Aliexpress. It was like $10 for like a big pack. And I'm just going to be placing that on my eyelid. And I took the yellow shade from my Zulu palette and I placed it on the top. So now I'm going in with Kenya in the Nubian 2 palette and using a really thin brush just to place that color on the top. Now I'm going in with this color from the Masquerade palette, and I'm placing that on the outer ends, mixing it with the black from the Saharan palette. Now I'm just gonna take Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife for the inner corner. For now, I'm gonna go in with some glitter. It's a gold glitter that I'm putting in my inner corner just to give it like a festive look. Next, I'm taking NYX liquid liner, and I placed it on the ends just to like darken the black section that I used already. And now I'm just gonna be contouring my face, chisel that face. I was in a hurry when I was doing my face section, guys. I had to rush to get to class. Yes, I look like this when I get to class and I get compliments from strangers, okay? So yeah, I'm just contouring my face and going in with powder. This is Iman and MAC. And now I'm going in and putting the same transition colors on the bottom of my eyeline, on the bottom of my lash line, which is what I normally do. So the same colors I used on the top, I'm using on the bottom. And yeah, I'm using a really thin brush to do this by Morphe. Next, I'm going in with the highlighter by Black Radiance, and I'm going for more of a subtle highlight, not like a ba-ba-boom highlight. Not today. And yes, there you have it. I'm just gonna, you know, highlight the rest of my face and, you know, highlight my nose and everything. But yeah, we're pretty much done. There you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes. And oh, don't forget to follow me on social media. And these parts right here, I was just taking selfies on my phone. So yeah, y'all get to see all of that. Thank you so much for watching again, and check out my previous videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.